Guys, here we have a Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and today I will tell you how you can try to remove a notification and on any other virus from this device. So if you see something like that on your notification bar in your device, that means you have a notification virus. So we can try to remove it without any antivirus app to clear the storage and cache of your web browser. So we have to open the app info of the selected web browser. To do it, just hold your finger on the icon and go to the app info. Now go to the data usage. Now just click here to clear data. Now go to the click here and click on clear all data. Now click OK, and now you shouldn't have a notification virus on your web browser. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can try to download some antivirus app from the Play Store, but remember to choose the trusted company. I will show you now it on the Avast. So to scan your device on Avast, just open this app and click get started. Now click next and skip. Continue with free and continue as free. Now click on the start scan and give any permissions. Now go back to the Avast and choose the type of your scan. As you can see, now I was looking for viruses on my device, and after the scan Avast will show you any viruses app and delete it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscriber comment. Be safe. Goodbye.